5 natural hair treatments you can make right at home. Part 4. Eggs are good for all hair types. The yolk, rich in fats and proteins, is naturally moisturizing, while the white, which contains bacteria-eating enzymes, removes unwanted oils. For normal hair, use the entire egg to condition hair. For oily hair, use egg whites only. For dry brittle hair, use egg yolks only to moisturize. Blend about 1/2 cup of whichever egg mixture is appropriate for you and apply this to clean, damp hair. Use as much as is needed. Leave on for 20 minutes, then rinse with cool water only and shampoo your hair as normal. Whole egg and yolks only treatments can be applied once a month, while whites only treatment can be applied every 2 weeks. Pumpkin and honey. Pumpkins are rich in vitamins A and C, beta-carotene, potassium, and zinc. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey to 1 cup of pumpkin puree and pack as much as you can onto your hair and scalp. Either wrap your hair in a saran wrap or a shower cap to keep this in place. Let it sit for at least 15 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Aspirin for residue and product buildup. Crush an aspirin, then add the aspirin powder to a small amount of shampoo and lather up. The salicylic acid in aspirin helps remove buildup and restore shine. Repeat this every 2 weeks. Baking soda for residue and product buildup. Combine some shampoo with 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda and massage this into your hair. Warning: don't use baking soda on recently colored hair. Add softness and shine with these DIY conditioners. Mayonnaise. Rub mayonnaise into your hair, enough to coat it. Leave for up to an hour, and wash it out. With its high protein content, mayonnaise will leave your hair soft and shiny. Condensed milk. The protein in condensed milk provides an extra shine. Use it the same way as mayonnaise.
If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. We need your support to keep posting, so please subscribe and click that bell notification button so that you get notified when I post new videos. And if you would like, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.